But it's possible.
Relationship is wakabeeramu, yes.
Yeah.
Should we send Shakib okuba nakuteekako empeta eyo abalala tebaali serious this time around? Shakib, I think gwe omusajja gwe wazuula ali serious.
Baali naye buli muntu aba n'engeri gy'akolamu ebintu.
Maybe I still go back to Allah because I mean we've had for Junior we have a lot of things that yetweyagaliza moment, you know. But at the end of the day, Katonda kwagaliza ki. And then God has other plans. I dated Shakib way back and then we went separate ways. I don't know how we found each other again. They took him out and then coming back together 1 year later, it's like, you know what, I'm gonna make you my wife. That's it. I'm older than retired. There's so many Christians or no, there's always Christians or by the way, just for public knowledge, my husband has a son. Come take her out. Let me be the responsible wife. We have a son. He's about 2 going 3. My husband has a son. So it's not like Shakib Tanzania. Now I was like, yes, we intend to have more children. You know, because I mean,
yeah.
Question is so I mean because I mean he has a son, and personally I am open to having, I think I've made statements before where I've said I want to have 10 kids.
For Shakib?
No, for real, no. Like in my life, I literally wanted to have 10 kids because I come from big African families, you know. You know, we come from those type of families from, I know why you're stuck in that era, but I grew up from big families and it was beautiful growing up in big families. That's why I think I always wanted 10 kids. So if people want to know, are you going to have kids with Shakib? Yes. Yeah. Am I going to carry the kids? Yes. Are you going to surrogate? Yes. Is there another option? Option 3? Yes. We are going to have.
Sorry, my question.
About the surrogate thing. Whatever, because people always like, oh, so what I can. Everything is possible. That's all, yes.
So you're thinking to which natural which cell and who just want to sit like one house or
and then I'm going to take them back again and see them every day.
No, Zari, chikwate. Zoe, bakiteke mabagayo.
Yeah.
President, ofisi okupakana wano ekiri
No.
bakena kiteeka wano.
Yeah. Shida, watu muvileko machi.